In this video, we will look at how to solve equations that include fractions. So here we have the equation 1/2x minus 3/2 equal to minus 4. We will use our rules to solving equations to help us. So rule number 1 says, what side is x on? So x is on the left hand side. Then we ask ourselves, what is on the same side as x but furthest away? So we have 1/2 and we have minus 3/2. So minus 3/2 is furthest away from x. So then we ask, what sign is it? Well, it's a minus sign, and we're asked to apply the opposite on both sides. So we have to do plus 3/2 and plus 3/2. Then we simplify, and we get 1/2 x minus 3/2 plus 3/2 cancels, equals underneath each other, and then we have minus 4 plus 3/2. Now we need to simplify, so let's simplify on the side. So we've got minus 4 plus 3/2. Now minus 4 is the same as minus 4 over 1. 4 divided by 1 is still 4, and minus doesn't change. So now we can use our methods of cross bottom or the common denominator. So in this case we'll use the cross bottom. So we have minus 4 times 2 plus 3 times 1 all over 1 times 2. This simplifies to minus 8 plus 3 all over 2. And that becomes minus 5 over 2. So over here we can write minus 5 over 2. This remains as 1/2 x. Then we repeat again. We ask ourselves the same questions. So here the first question we ask ourselves is, which side is x on? Still on the left hand side. And what's on the same side as x but furthest away? Well, we only have the half, so it's going to be 1/2. What sign is it? It's 1/2 x. 1/2 x is the same as 1/2 times x. So it's a times. So we apply the opposite. So we divide by 1/2 and we divide by 1/2. Now 1/2 divided by 1/2 is x, and then we need to solve this fraction, minus 5 over 2 divided by 1/2. So here we use our method of keep, flip, change. So we keep the first one, we change the sign, and we flip the second fraction. Then we multiply the top and the bottom. Minus 5 times 2 is minus 10 all over 2, which is equal to minus 5. So the answer here is minus 5.
You can download the application on Google Play or App Store, and you can visit our website mathslegends.co.uk.